Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are well. On behalf of Mastic BD, best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video, Google Chrome shortcut key every user needs to know. Okay. Before starting the video, I would like to say those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like to comment, share another friend circle. Okay. This channel your great motivation. This video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So first one number and Google Chrome shortcut key Control Shift plus N to enter the incognito mode. Okay, Control Shift plus N in Control Shift plus N incognito mode. Okay, incognito mode in open your user and in every site and use and Google Chrome and use normally and this offsite and not save, but basically use the use. Okay, the second option Control Shift plus N, Control Shift plus T, Control Shift plus T, Control Shift plus T in last Control Shift plus T in open the last close tab. Okay, before the and Chrome browser and use the last Chrome browser any website and in Control plus Shift plus and T automatically open. Okay, the automatically open. Okay, automatically open. The Control plus W close the active close. The close the active close Control W plus recently active the window, the Control W automatically remove. Okay, the Control plus PGDEN. Okay, up down. Okay, up down the Control PGN. Okay, one by one running program and Control P and function number 4. Okay, then function number 5 Control plus PG up means up down. Okay, PGN up down. Okay, this is the Control PGN. The function number 6 Control 9. The Control 9 means function the in current program is the error option. Okay, Control 9. Okay, Control 9 the running option. Okay, the function number 7 Ultra Home. Open your home page in the current tab. Ultra Home in current option. This is the window and tab. This is the running option. The Ultra plus Home. Okay, Ultra plus Home and reload your home page. Okay, the function number 9 and Ultra plus space plus N. Ultra plus space plus N. Automatically current and new option in the automatically window and desktop mode. Okay, this is the all current option is basically and minimize the current window. Okay, this is the your website. Okay, in this video Google Chrome in shortcut key every user need to 9 option. Okay, so friends, no more today. Those who are still subscribe to my channel, subscribe very quickly and play the bell icon button and stay safe with a kind of new video. For inshallah, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.